It was a clear, starry night. Liam was looking through his giant telescope on the balcony. Suddenly, he saw a bright, silver object falling from the moon. "Emma, look, a falling star," he cried. But Emma noticed it wasn't a star. It was a glowing, mechanical compass that landed in the woods behind their house. They ran into the forest with their flashlights. Under a large oak tree, they found the object. It was a beautiful compass with a moving arrow made of starlight. "This belongs to the Sky Kingdom," Emma whispered, touching the cool metal. As soon as she touched it, the arrow started spinning wildly, pointing towards the highest mountain peak. They followed the compass to the mountain. Instead of a rocky path, they found stairs made of soft white clouds. "Do you think they can hold us?" Liam asked nervously. He took a small step. The clouds felt like a firm sponge. They began to climb higher and higher, leaving the world below behind. It was a breathtaking view. Halfway up, a strong wind started to blow. A giant, translucent bird appeared. "I am the wind spirit," it said in a voice like a flute. "To pass, you must show me that you are kind to nature." Emma took out some dried seeds she always carried and offered them. The bird chirped happily and used its wings to push them safely to the top. "Enter at the top of the stairs. Flowers here glowed in the dark, and the water in the ponds flowed upwards." "Everything is upside down here," Liam laughed. They were looking for the Star Keeper to return the compass. They had to be observant to find the hidden path among the glowing plants. To reach the Star Keeper's palace, they entered a maze made of mirrors. Everywhere they looked, they saw hundreds of Liams and Emmas. "We are lost," Liam said. But Emma remembered the compass. The starlight arrow pointed through the mirrors. Follow the light. They escaped the maze in minutes. They reached a palace made of glass. Inside sat an old man with a beard made of clouds and a robe made of the night sky. "You have returned my compass," the Star Keeper said kindly. "Without it, the stars couldn't find their way home." He thanked them for their courage and honesty. The world needed the stars to shine brightly. As a reward, the Star Keeper gave them 2 small jars. "These contained stardust," he explained. "Whenever you feel lost, open them, and they will show you the way." Liam and Emma felt very proud. They realized that doing the right thing brings the best rewards. It was a truly memorable moment. The Star Keeper called the giant wind spirit to take them back. They sat on the bird's soft back and flew over their town. The lights below looked like tiny diamonds. Emma held the stardust jar tightly. They felt like they were part of the universe. The air was cold, but their hearts were warm with happiness. The bird landed gently in their backyard. The sun was starting to rise. Liam and Emma looked up and saw the stars fading away, but they knew the stars were safe now. Another secret for our notebook? The best one yet. They went inside, ready for a new day and more adventures.
Vocabulary lesson: breathtaking, extremely beautiful, or surprising. Observant, good at noticing things. Courage, bravery, not being afraid. Memorable, worth remembering. Reflection, an image in a mirror or water.
Fun quiz. Where did the compass come from? A. The ocean. B. The moon. C. The kitchen. What were the stairs made of? A. Wood. B. Clouds. C. Gold. What was in the jars the Star Keeper gave them? A. Stardust. B. Honey. C. Sand.